guys, so today we're going to be working on the bike that I painted. It's going to be going all back together. Not fully, this is going to be in a few parts because we're going to be ordering some new parts and figuring out how to get other parts back together to put on the bike. So we're not going to be able to do it all today, but it is going to go back together. See, the way I put this on, these two pieces, is I took this piece off and I just slid it in. What's nice about these two pieces is they're easy to work on and put back in the bikes, but the thing is you have to match up these lines to the number, otherwise the chain is not going to sit right on it.